Hey there, having trouble with the Lyft app not loading rides? Don't worry, I've got you covered with some quick fixes that should get you back on the road in no time. First, let's make sure your app is up to date. Check if your phone is running at least iOS 16 or Android 7.0 Nougat. This is the minimum requirement to run Lyft smoothly. If you're all good on that front, let's start troubleshooting. A common reason Lyft acts up is poor connectivity, so try closing and reopening the app. If that doesn't work, turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and turn it off again. Still nothing? No problem. Restart your phone. If you're in the middle of a queue at the airport, be aware that restarting might cause you to lose your place, so use caution. Another trick is to uninstall and reinstall the app. This often clears up any weird glitches. Also, make sure both your app and phone software are updated. Outdated software can cause performance issues. Lastly, check your phone's connectivity. If you're in an area with weak signal, try moving to a different spot or switch off Wi-Fi to use your mobile data instead. Need more help? If none of these steps work, it might be time to report the issue to Lyft's support team. Follow these steps and you should be back to requesting rides in no time. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Stay safe out there.